SD until my lungs are broken, bruh.
Best 5 Compact Binoculars for 2019. 1. Bushnell H2O Waterproof Fogproof Compact Roof Prism Binocular, Bag for Prisms. Highly durable and built to last. O-band seal and nitrogen purged. 12x magnification providing a 20-foot shot concentration range. High-definition lucidity through high-quality optics. Bushnell is one of the brands which have proven its worth time and time again for producing some of the best quality compact binoculars. Bushnell H2O Waterproof Fogproof Compact Roof Prism Binocular. The Bushnell H2O is no different and has proved its worth being a tough gadget which can handle any conditions. The first thing you will notice from its name is that it is water and fog proof. It is nitrogen purged and O-band sealed to deliver this property. This allows you to carry with you under extreme conditions. The high-quality optics of the binocular has high-definition lucidity. Built to last, the binocular is known for its durability as the design is an upgrade from its predecessor. Sharp images are delivered by the use of multiple protected optics and bag for prisms. It has been tested under various conditions and used substantially to find the quality of the model. The button is placed in the center for easy alterations. It is coated with non-movable rubber armor which delivers grips and prevents jolts due to quick movements. The 12x magnification provides a 20-foot shot concentration range. The 9mm eye relief is placed to be comfortable to the eye. Bushnell PowerView Compact Folding Roof Prism Binocular, Roof Prism Design. Foldable design. (10x magnification for quality images. Water and fog proof. Fully coated optics for sharper images. Roof prism designed to reduce bends. Bushnell has featured right again on the list. This should come as no surprise as they are one of the best manufacturers of compact binoculars. Bushnell PowerView Compact Folding Roof Prism Binocular. The Bushnell PowerView Compact Folding Roof Prism Binocular is no different in that aspect. The water and fog-proof binoculars are one of the best compact binoculars available in the market right now. It has a 10x magnification which delivers excellent performance on all standards. As a rule of thumb when it comes to magnification defines, the higher the magnification the further you see with better clarity. And that is what this compact binocular has on offer. With a 32mm standard objective lens, it has a center focus system which lets you magnify an object 10 times of its actual size. Wingspan Optics Spectator Compact Binoculars, crystal clear images with HD detail. Extremely durable with sturdy build. Easy to carry around as it can fit in a pocket. 30 days return double guarantee. It delivers crystal clear images with HD detail. It has 8x magnification, delivering the ability to magnify the object up to 8 times its size. The eye relief is of 14.8 mm, which is ideal for a person using eyeglasses. The focus system of the binocular is in the center and offers the ability to focus with great precision. The close focus of the binocular is 3 m, which is better than most of the other binoculars offer. It also has a field angle of 6.9 degrees. It comes with additional accessories such as lens covers, cleaning cloth, and nylon mesh carry case. The field view of the compact binocular is 1,000 yards. It can be mounted on a tripod, a feature which comes useful many times. The Prism style is back for roof design, which delivers high-quality, sharp images. Be it landscapes, games, concert, or any of the sorts of entertainment, this binocular is an ideal companion for you. It is built well and can withstand a good blunt force, reducing your need to be worried about it taking damages easily. Skyy Genius compact lightweight binoculars, powerful magnification. Powerful magnification. Ideal for outdoor use. Clear images under low light. Value for money. Skyy Genius compact lightweight binoculars is a sleek-looking, pocket-sized powerhouse which has the best of all the features a compact binocular should possess. Small, compact, lightweight binoculars, be it a football game, a concert, or just enjoying the view of nature, this binocular can make the experience a lot better with its amazing features. Things cannot really go wrong when you are handed a 10x50 power in magnification. Add a 50mm objective lens, and you get a beast of a binocular. The spherical lenses are multi-layer coated and reduce distortion and light reflection. This results in the image having better quality, contrast, and brightness. It presents a field of view of about 367 feet/1000 yards, which helps you watch fast-moving objects with relative ease. The visual field offered by the binocular is 5.8 degrees, which are standard for most of the 10x50 binoculars. folding compact binoculars, 10x25 magnification. Works well during the day and night. 10x25 magnification. Center focus mechanism. Field of view of 1000 yards. Fully multi-coated optics. If you are looking for a compact binocular which is ideal for day and night use and also need to be lightweight, you do not have to look further. Folding high-powered binoculars, the Autosports Folding Compact Binoculars is the best you can get your hands on. This pocket-sized binocular does not work in complete darkness but can deliver great visibility in low lights. It is ideal for fishing, bird watching, concerts, camping, golf, and hiking. The 10x magnification it delivers is enough to give you great clarity images in any of the mentioned scenarios. It has an objective lens of 25mm which when combined with the 10x magnification delivers some of the best viewing experience. It has a field of view of 1000 yards which is one of the best we can ask for any compact binoculars. Its eye relief is 14.8mm which is great if you are an eyeglass wearing person. It has a field angle of 6.9 degrees and has a close focus of about 3 m.